Hi, hope you're having a wonderful day. I sure am. We're getting ready to go on an adventure. So sit down, buckle up, and here we go.
We enjoyed our 6-day stay, and Alan got lots of projects done. And now it's off to a new adventure. Well, we're leaving Craggy Wash and off on our trip to Lake Mead. Remember when you visit our public lands to be sure and pack it in, pack it out. We've seen way too much of people not packing it back out. Driving down into the Hoover Dam on the Nevada side. Pull box trailers across the dam, so we had to drop it off at the casino. Be prepared. If you drive a bigger rig and have trouble getting around, this is a difficult place to find parking. The Hoover Dam is a concrete arch gravity dam in the Black Canyon of the Colorado River on the border between the U.S. states of Nevada and Arizona. It was constructed between 1931 and 1936 during the Great Depression and was dedicated on September 30th, 1935 by the President Franklin D. Roosevelt.
That they are. Oh, you have solar panels up there?
Oh yeah, it runs all itself.
Wow.
So we don't need to plug in.
You can see how low the water is from the sediment on the sides of the walls. But it's pretty amazing. So they have a really nice parking garage, and it's totally empty, but they won't let us park in it even though we're handicapped.
So we're here at the Hoover Dam, sitting in this parking lot up top at Overview illegally. They wanted you to park. They have no turning in here, so you got to go way down the corner and up to turn around, and then that's where buses are supposed to park up there. And then it's a 500-600 yard walk down to this center. And everything is quite the walk. We couldn't park anywhere down there because of RV and get down and walk down and take some lower pictures. But everything is quite the walk. I mean, you better be in good walking shape or else you'll be having a hard time taking pictures. We went in the main visitor center over there. It's got parking and all that. Then it's got bus and RV parking. So we pulled in there and was going to pay them. And she says, no, that's just for commercial buses. And we said, where do we go? And she says, she don't really know. So they're not really friendly here to RVs. We had to drop our box trailer just to get in here because they said no trailers across here. So we'll have to go back and get our trailer. It's at a casino down the road. And then we'll probably just stay at the casino and eat dinner tonight. They got helicopter tours. There's a lot of choppers flying around, so they must have a lot of chopper tours. But that's probably $1.95. You know, they got $1.45. But it is quite amazing. The water is pretty low because you can see by the stains it's low.
couple days later, Alan and I decided to take the cruise on Lake Mead to Hoover Dam. It was about an hour and a half on a beautiful day, and we'd highly recommend it over just driving over the dam. You get a much prettier view and a lot of history about the lake. Time's getting short and we gotta go, so we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.
Thanks again for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember to hit the bell for notifications.